Whoa, we're back. Another video. It's been a while. Welcome back, guys. If you're coming back to the channel and watching, I appreciate you. If you're new and this is the very first time you even came across this channel and you enjoy the content, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. I really do appreciate that. It goes a long way. Today's video is really based on it's kind of an informative video for you guys, of me explaining to you guys why I pick up sneakers during the summer, why I pick up sneakers that I missed out on for retail during the summer, why I pay I mean, of course I'm gonna pay resale on these sneakers. Through the years of collecting, I buy sneakers in the summer that I've missed out on because they're a lot cheaper. There's no holidays during the summer, guys. There's no income tax coming in during the summer. At the beginning of the year, there's just release after release after release after release after release. We get that check in, bro. We're ready to spend it, me included, and we're ready to buy sneakers, bro. You know what I mean? But that money starts to run out around the summertime, man. You know what I mean? I'm gonna show you guys the sneakers that I did pick up. They're sitting right here, and then we're gonna unbox this shoe right here. This is a shoe that I believe everybody should have in their collection, or it's definitely a starting piece to a collection. If you guys want to start a collection, you don't have to start out with super heat, you know. So it's kind of like a mashed in video. This is one that came from my boy, my boy David. Always hooking it up, man, and I appreciate you, bro. I appreciate you. Yeah, my boy David, man, sent me these. If you guys do not know who he is, I believe his Twitter is Who Dat Geek, with the DAT, Who Dat Geek. You guys could follow him. He has a bunch of sneakers that I think in his inventory that he might be selling. If you guys want to hit him up, DM him. If there's a sneaker that you're looking for, go ahead and ask him, man. If he has it, he probably does have it. But this is one that was going for like $450 when it first released, and they had restocks on these sneakers over and over again, and I was just patiently just waiting. I was playing the waiting game, and I knew that every summer, man, the market crashes up until around August when school's about to start. The market just skyrockets, and then it dips down again during October because there's not very many holidays, and then up until November, the end of November, that's when it picks back up, because that's whenever, you know, Christmas hits and everybody wants sneakers for Christmas, and you know, that's whenever spending happens, bro. Everybody gets Christmas money. So yeah, during the summer is the best time, guys, to buy sneakers. So I'm just talking so much, guys. I'm so sorry, man. It's been a while since I made a video. I'm gonna try to keep this short. But I picked up a pair of the Hyper Royals in a size 9, personal size. Beautiful shoe, man. Shout out to my boy David once again, Who Dat Geek on Twitter. Go ahead and follow him, guys. If you guys want to DM him and ask him and see what he has in stock for you guys. Maybe there's a shoe that you guys are looking for, and you know, you guys could forget about having the middleman, because the middleman sucks. Half the time the middleman forgets to put your freaking shoe trees inside of your shoe whenever they're authenticating. And I wasn't going to pick these up originally just because I have the turbo greens, but you know, I've learned a valuable lesson that you really have to have a shoe in hand to make those types of decisions, whether if you think the shoe's trash, whether you know, sometimes you just really need to have the sneaker in hand. And this is one that I think is a sneaker that you need to have in hand if you already have the turbo greens, because it is a lot different. It's not very, it's a little the same, man, but I mean, the tongue isn't deconstructed. You know, if the midsole isn't yellowed. I know on the turbos the midsole's yellowed. I do have them in the back, but I'm not going to bring them out. I just want to show you guys what I picked up for resale, and I guess I have a few sneakers here that I picked up for retail. But yeah, this is one. Shout out to my boy David for the 100th time. Here's another one right here. This is one that I doubled up on. I did hit on the sneakers that my girl actually hit. Shout out to her. She gifted these to me for Father's Day, and I went ahead and I doubled up. I know it doesn't make sense. My girl gifted me a pair, and then I ended up doubling up. I did use eBay for this pair here. You do have the eBay authentication tag right here. But yeah, the 2.0s, man. Shout out 2.0s. Pick these up. Super low on the market right now. Cool shoe to double up and then maybe use for trade bait later on. Nice shoe. These I did hit for retail, guys. I did hit for retail. I didn't make videos, guys, on these sneakers. There's a lot of sneakers that I did pick up that I just didn't want to make videos on. But yeah, I just kind of want to keep you guys up to par on my collection and what I have been picking up. We will be dropping more videos, so stay tuned. Subscribe if you haven't already. If you're this far into the video, you know, go ahead and subscribe. We're gonna get those out of the way. And I also picked up a very classic OG Jordan 1. Picked these things up off of eBay as well. Very nice shoe. Quality is pretty nice. It's decent. It's that kind of like a fake buttery textured leather. It's not like that. How do I say it's if I had to compare this leather quality, it's kind of like that UNC. The UNCs that we saw earlier this year release, it's kind of like that quality. It's not like shattered backboard leather. I know a lot of people said these are shattered backboard leather. Nah, dude, they try to say everything's shattered backboard leather. This isn't that. It's like you know, it's that super synthetic, because a lot of these leathers are synthetic. You know, it's not real leather, but it's like that super synthetic quality. But nonetheless, it's an OG, and it released back alongside with a lot of the 1985 OG colorways that released from Jordan brand, the very first you know, Air Jordan 1 to release the first colorways. So, you know, it's freaking amazing to have these. There's another one that I am going to be receiving soon that is a classic as well. I'll be unboxing those with you guys on the channel. And here's one again that I wasn't going to pick up. I even told the homies, nah bro, I'm not getting this shoe. I ended up picking these up from Stadium Goods, and they kind of did me dirty. They sent me a beat box. That's the thing about Stadium Goods and Flight Club and all that, guys. Like, their back rooms look like shit. I know I've never really been to the back room, but I've seen like videos and like how a lot of these consignment stores and resale shops keep their inventories, and they just keep boxes piled on top of boxes on top of boxes, and you know, they get crushed. So if you guys do order from Stadium Goods and Flight Club and all that, keep that in mind. But another shoe that I decided to wait on is these taupe hazes. I already laced these up. I got the Stadium Goods receipt, and yeah man, this is one that I was not going to pick up, and I picked it up, and I'm kind of like regretting picking them up because they're super sparkly on the uppers around the mud guard, you know, where they have this weird flaky type texture. I believe this rubs off and it turns into something like this, like a lighter shade of this taupe colorway. But yeah, it's a cool shoe. You know, a lot of people picked it up because it's got ties with Travis Scott. I don't want to make this too long, guys. Let's unbox these real quick. Save these for the end. This is a very iconic silhouette. These released actually alongside with the Hyper Royal Jordan 1s, and it kind of the Hyper Royals kind of took the shine away from this shoe here. But this is a classic. This is just one of the best silhouettes. Like I said, this is one that you guys should have in the collection. You know, this is one that you guys should definitely have in the collection. Not this same one, but just this silhouette here. If you guys can find them on sale, if you want to start a nice sneaker collection. You guys see right here, the presentation is nice on the box, man. And it just has a bunch of pieces of all Nike Air silhouettes on this box. Total Air, Zoom Air, you know, all the different kinds of air technologies that Nike provides for your feet, you know, that's super comfortable. And this reads Air Max 1 EOI, which stands for Evolution of Icons. So it's Evolution of Icons. Air Max 1 White Sport Turk, TURQ, size 9, which is my size. I actually hit on the Restock. I don't know, maybe these things are still sitting. So this kind of pays tribute to a lot of the Air Max, all the Air Max technology, you know, that Nike has provided over the years, which is a beautiful thing. This released on Air Max Day, so let me stop talking and let me get these things out. I believe it features like certain pieces of different Air Maxes, like the 95s and the 90s. I don't know exactly which part of the shoe that is, but yeah, it just has different pieces of history throughout the shoe. And what better shoe than to the first one, the one that started all, the Air Max 1. Man, Air Max Day, these released, and now we got them. I'm guessing somebody canceled their order, sent it back to Nike, and I got this funky shoe here, man. This was off of the Restock. I'm glad to have these. You know, they represent Air Max Day, and yeah, it's a silhouette that I think you guys should pick up. The quality is nice. It's got a lot of nice details put onto this shoe. You guys see this right here? I believe this is off of what Air Max, like the Vapor Air Maxes or whatever. I don't know. You guys let me know what that is off of on the toe box. I think I'm going blank, but anyway, man, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hit that thumbs up button, subscribe, you know, show support to the channel. You know, it's a small channel and we're trying to grow. Appreciate you guys watching. It's your boy Jay. We're out of here. On to the next video. Take it easy, never sleazy, man. I'll catch y'all on the next one, bruh. Peace.